Hi, I'm Amber Olson-Work, Neura's Chief Sales and Marketing Officer, and I'm so excited to introduce to you today our Proluxe Hair Care System. This is the result of years of research and development looking for the perfect ingredients and system that would help intuitively keep your hair healthy, repair damage, and give it that youthful shine, bounce, and manageability that you're looking for. And so this system really works together to give you a daily and weekly system to keeping your hair at the healthiest. It actually has an intuitive system to seek, find, and repair damage. We took our years of unparalleled knowledge in the skincare space and have applied that same philosophy to hair care. And what we found is we've created a system that finds that damage, and once you repair that damage, your hair looks more just healthy, rejuvenated, has that youthful radiance, youthful bounce, fullness, smoothness, all those things you're looking for. This system even helps reduce the amount of gray hair production, and we'll get to that in a little bit. And it also rebalances your scalp health. We know that ideal hair starts from your roots, starts from your scalp. And so if you take care of your scalp and your roots, the produce will be great full hair. So you see in this example, if you have unhealthy roots, then what that produces is not full and lush. But when you have a healthy root system and a healthy scalp, then that's going to produce healthy hair. So that's what this system really does. It's a rebalancing system. Our Proluxe system starts with a rebalancing shampoo and conditioner. The daily shampoo is rich with concentrations of proteins that help fight the signs of aging. So this is going to give you an optimal environment for healthy hair. It's going to cleanse the scalp of hair pollutions, impurities, and general buildup that can disrupt your hair growth. It's also going to help strengthen your hair and help protect your hair against damage. And most importantly, it's going to help balance your scalp for ideal sebum production. Now this is key, again going back to your scalp being the center of healthy hair. So this is going to rebalance the scalp, make your hair nice and clean without overstripping it, and strengthen it on a day-to-day basis. Now this pairs with the rebalancing conditioner. This is a nutrient-dense daily conditioner that helps make your hair soft and smooth, have it that youthful movement and bounce. It's going to deeply nourish your hair, and it works even for fine, fragile, and brittle hair. It's not going to weigh it down or make it too oily. It's going to quickly penetrate into your hair shaft to help protect it against damage throughout the day, and it's going to intuitively reinforce that optimal moisturization in the scalp. So again, if your scalp is naturally dry, it's going to add moisturization. If your scalp's naturally oil, it's going to regulate that oil production so that you have a rebalanced scalp. Now, some of the ingredients in these products that make it unique, we have our Intuitres Complex that you'll find in both of these products. That's a blend that's proprietary to Neura. It has a blend of peptides, Baobab extract, and sea buckthorn oil. These all work together to help make your hair more manageable, youthful, help add moisturization, color protection, help it repair any damage. It also has some amino acids in it. It has coconut oil that's going to remove sebum buildup as well as make your hair soft and smooth. And the conditioner has celery seed extract. Now this is what helps moisturize the dry scalp and regulate oil production for oilier. So it works for either hair type. Now this is your daily treatments, and they're gonna pair this with a weekly Proluxe hair mask. This hair mask is a deep, intense concentration of these ingredients to really get down deep into your hair. And this is going to intuitively find and repair almost every type of damage. So it's going to penetrate deep into your hair to help find that damage. It's going to even rebond broken strands together. So all of us usually have some broken ends or just hair that is looking a little lifeless. This is going to rebond those hair together. It's going to restore your hair's youthful, healthy appearance. It's going to add shine to your hair. It's going to help strengthen your hair and just improve overall manageability. One of the coolest things that this mask does is going to improve the color retention of your hair by locking down the escape route from your hair. So as we color our hair, then it starts fading over time. This is going to help keep that hair color locked into place. Now this provides immediate impact. You're gonna see remarkable improvement after just one use, but over time, it's just going to keep getting better and better, and your hair is gonna look healthier and healthier. And it's important to use on a weekly basis because it's going to really nourish the hair as well as give that layer of protection that your hair needs. Now, this product has all of those same ingredients we talked about, the Intuitres Complex, amino acids, coconut oil, celery seed extract, but it's gonna be at very high concentrations that's gonna penetrate deep into this hair strand as well as balance that scalp for optimal hair health. Here are some examples of some consumers that used our hair mask just one time. You can see the improvement in just overall vibrance, shine, even the color, the frizziness, all of those things that you're looking for. This is just with one use of the Proluxe hair mask. So you can see a really remarkable difference, and we encourage you to take your own before and after pictures so you can see your own real results. Now lastly, we have our scalp treatment. Like we've been talking about, hair health starts at the scalp. This is a state-of-the-art daily leave-in treatment that works to create the ideal environment for supporting natural hair growth and producing stronger, thicker, younger-looking hair, and even helps restore your hair's own natural pigment. Now this is going to penetrate deep into the scalp to target the hair follicle. And it is going to do a lot of different things. It's going to help support that healthy environment. It's going to improve your barrier function of your scalp. It's going to restore the strength of your hair and really balance overall. And some of the ingredients in this product that are just really innovative. First, we have our Intelligrey ingredient. This is an ingredient that's never been seen before. This helps restore your hair's natural pigment at the root. So by applying it throughout your scalp, you're going to be helping restore natural pigment at the root, reducing the density of gray and white hair, restoring it back to your natural hair color, which is amazing. Who doesn't want that? It also has a really rich turmeric in it that has signaling peptides and growth factors that help stimulate natural hair growth, help make your hair appear more full and vibrant. Now these pictures are from a consumer study using our turmeric ingredient for 150 days. You can see in these before and after pictures how much of an increase in just hair fullness and growth there is after just 150 days. So this is a really, really powerful ingredient. It also has our Pro Renew Plus. This is our proprietary probiotic prebiotic blend. This is going to balance the microbiome of your scalp. And when you have a microbiome that's in balance, then it just produces healthier hair. So the Proluxe system is so simple to use. You have a rebalancing daily shampoo and conditioner that's going to put your hair in an optimal state, have it looking its best, help regulate the production of oils from the scalp, help make your scalp healthy, your roots healthy so that you have vibrant hair. An intense weekly treatment that's going to make your hair look immediately more vibrant and fresh, and then a daily scalp treatment, which is going to help all of those signs of aging, whether it's wanting to have fuller hair, wanting to have less gray hair, or just wanting to have hair that overall has that shine, bounce, and vibrancy that we have in our youth. So are so excited for you to get the chance to be the very first to try our Proluxe system and to put it to the test and experience your own real results.